Well, hello you guys and welcome to this edition of askchauntel. So I'm so excited today to share with you another Nadine West unboxing. Nadine West sends me clothes to share with you guys every month. So let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask CHAUNTEL.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
My name is Eden from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription service for women, and what you do is you go onto nadinewest.com, you fill out a style profile, and you can get one of these cute pink packages. Whatever you do like, that $9 gets applied right to your order. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So you can either get stuff once a month or you can also order for twice a month. And I think it's really awesome during this time of quarantine to have a clothing subscription service like this, so we can still look cute and we can do it on a budget, and we don't have to go out and, you know, be out there in the world with all the craziness that's going on. You know what I'm saying? So just so you guys know, I had gotten in behind, so this is one of the other ones that I had. So if anything is from like different season time, you guys understand. So this is Nadine West sticker on here, and we're gonna check out and see what we have. Oh, this is a skirt. It's blue and it's got pockets, and it looks like a midi skirt. So midi skirts, usually not my favorite. I either wear a mini or I wear a maxi, so we'll see. But if you didn't know what midi skirt is, it goes right below your knee. I do like the colors in this one. I think it's really pretty. Very springtime, you know, so very, you know, appropriate for my time of unboxing. And there are leggings. Black leggings, can never go wrong with those. And they are also, they look like midi length. Now I do actually wearing some Nadine West right now from I don't know, sometime last year, and that midi level on kind of like a shorter legging, I really like it because it's great for like working around the house when it's hot. And so I'm actually excited for those pairs because I could see myself throwing those on. So there's jewelry in here, so we will save that. And there's more. This is a big bundle, you guys. Sometimes you get like these big bundles, and I noticed that they were kind of getting smaller, but then my latest ones have been really big, so I'm like, guess it just depends on what they're doing over there at Nadine West. Okay, so we've got pink. This is like a mauve pink, almost like that millennial pink color, and it's got some like navy and black, and actually it's purple, but it kind of looks navy when you kind of like throw purple and black together. Really pretty. I like the color, so we'll see how that looks on. And there was, is this red? It almost looks red, but it creates more like a red and an orange. Oh, I like it. It's a dress and it's midi length, so we'll see how I feel about that once I put it on. Maybe I can add that to my style profile, but I really don't usually get too much midi stuff from them. Midi length stuff. Midi stuff. Okay, so here's gray, and I really like the what am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Stripes. I really like the stripes on the sleeves. That's super cute. The gray and the pink. Yo. One more big, man, they really hooked me up on this. I'm gonna tell you right now. So you have a lot to choose from. So if you don't like something, or if you're like, this will be great to be added to my closet, you have options, you have choices, and it's amazing. Okay, so I was saying in another one of these unboxings that mama needs a racerback bra because I don't have one. I don't have a spaghetti strap, so that's a thing. So this is hippie chic, And it's got the cold shoulder, which is sexy, but it's like sexy in a modest way, you know what I mean? Like it's not too crazy. And it's got kind of this ruffled collar. I don't know if they call that a cow neck. I think they call that a cow neck. And it's like what is this color? Like a eggplant purple. So purple, this color, deep colors like this usually work really well on me. So we'll see. And this is a blouse. It's got a lot of funkiness. Now I usually like funky, but I don't know about this pattern. What you guys think? Yay or nay? Pattern. Okay, we're gonna see. And there was this looks like a dress. Is it? Wow, it is. It's another midi dress. I think we can rock this, right? We'll see. It looks like it's gonna fit like a glove, so we'll throw that on and see. Big yellow flowers, so I think that it will be fun. Let's check out this jewelry because there's kind of a ton of it. And you guys know I love accessories, so I'm all about it. So the first one is this bracelet. And it's kind of cool because it's two-tone. We got the white, and then there's little gold, and then black beads in the back. That's really fun. It's really kind of different. I kind of dig it, yeah. And then there was, this looks like a necklace, almost like a locket, in which, Envy. It's by Envy. You guys know I never, okay, good. Like, sometimes when it comes to these necklaces, I'll be struggling. But yeah, so it's a locket, and let me see if I can get you guys hooked up here. It's long, like dresses, and the dresses that we have right here, I think will look really good paired with this long necklace. So definitely have to give that a try. Earrings. So they've kind of got this distressed metal, and I like it because it almost looks kind of like African style, right? Nubian. Goes well with these spring twists that I have in my hair right now. It's like ideal. There we go. The light's super bright, but it's so pretty, right? I like it. I think it's cute. They're fun. They're a little heavy for me. My ears are kind of, they don't like heavy, but really pretty. So I'm gonna go try on all the clothes, so definitely stay tuned for that. Let's do it. So I really loved this dress. This might have been my favorite item. I don't know, I don't have anything like this. It's very like warm weather. It's very like flowery, so it still brings a little brightness to your day with the yellow. And yeah, I just loved it. And yeah, there was Eden. So this was atrocious. I really did like the skirt. It was a little bit too tight for me. Selena says hi. I did not like this top at all. I did not like the style. I didn't like the pattern. Definitely not together. So I did like the leggings, but I did not like this shoulder, off the shoulder ruffle top. It was not flattering on me. I didn't feel it did anything extra for me, but I did like the color. I thought this top was really cute, and it's very sporty, and I haven't been as sporty these days, but I think it would inspire me to be so. And I also thought the leggings again were super cute. Yeah, this skirt, it was matronly. I didn't like it. I didn't like the top either. Nope. I loved this dress. It's just that Quarantine Belly said no. But it was motivation to start working out. I will say that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was. Definitely put it in the link in the comment section below. What was your least favorite? Want to know that too. And in the meantime, in between time, definitely check out my Nadine West unboxing playlist in the link in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.